Hi friends, today we are going to talk about the process of connecting two fiber cables together. Without wasting much time, let's begin. This video contains what is fiber splicing, why fiber splicing is required, method of fiber splicing, and demonstration of fusion fiber splicing. Fiber splicing is the process of connecting two equal fiber optic cables together. Why we required fiber splicing? Fiber splice is a cost-effective, time-saving solution for extending fiber optic cable and connecting pigtail connector to fiber optic cable, repair damaged fiber optic cable instead replacing it. Methods of fiber splicing. There are two main methods of doing fiber splicing: fusion fiber splicing and mechanical splicing. Mechanical splicing can be divided into V-groove splicing and elastic tube splicing. Let's identify the tool required for fusion fiber splicing. Fusion fiber splicing machine, cleaving tool, equal diameter fiber optic cables, heat shrink protective sleeve, stripping tool, alcohol and piping paper. First step: inserting heat shrinking protective sleeve into the fiber optic cable. Second step: strip the fiber optic cable using a stripping tool. Be careful to use correct stripping hole. Third step: properly clean the fiber optic cable using paper serviettes and alcohol. With this sound, you can ensure the cable is properly cleaned. Fourth step: placing the fiber optic cable into a cleaving tool. Ensure that the fiber optic cable lie on the rubber roller on the cleaving tool. Then just close the cap and start cleaving. Then open the cap and take the fiber optic cable gently. Fifth step: placing the fiber optic cables into a fusion splicing machine and close the magnetic cap. Switch on the fiber fusion splicing machine and close the top cap. The splicing process will begin with the scanning two fiber optic cables with inbuilt camera. During this process, machine automatically estimate the cleaving condition and the cleanness of the cable. If tool is satisfied with both the condition, the splicing process begins. If not, the error indication will appear on the display. Inside the machine, with the help of electric arc, the fiber optic cables are heated, then precisely aligned, and again it is heated with the use of electric arc. Some of the error indications as follows. Sixth step: carefully remove the cable from splicing chamber and cover it from the heat shrinking protective sleeve. Final step: place the heat shrinking protective sleeve on the heating chamber. Then press the yellow button and your splicing is done. Let's test the final product.